In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a digital gift card on Walmart. We'll walk through the entire process from finding the right page to placing your order so you can quickly send a thoughtful e-gift to someone without leaving your home. All you'll need is an internet connection and a payment method. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Walmart e-gift card. From the results, open the official Walmart website. Make sure the URL clearly shows Walmart's domain so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a third-party page. Once you're on the site, look for the gift cards section. Click gift cards to open the options. You'll usually see both physical gift cards and e-gift cards. Since we want a digital delivery, select the e-gift card option. This ensures your recipient receives it by email, often within minutes, which is perfect for last-minute gifts. Now it's time to personalize. Choose a design that matches the occasion, whether that's a basic style or something celebratory like a birthday theme. Next, select the amount. Walmart typically offers a range from $5 to $500. Pick the value that fits your budget and your recipient's needs. When you're happy with the design and amount, click Add to Cart. You should see a quick confirmation that the item was added. Before checking out, you'll be prompted to enter the key details. Type the recipient's email address carefully, since this is where the e-gift card will be delivered. Add your name so the recipient knows who sent it. If there's a message box, include a short note if you'd like. A friendly line can make the gift feel more personal. Take a moment to double-check the email address to avoid delivery issues. When everything looks correct, click Checkout. At this point, you can sign into your Walmart account if you have one, which can make tracking and resending details easier. If you prefer not to create an account, choose Continue as Guest and proceed. For payment, enter your credit or debit card details or select PayPal if that's more convenient for you. Review your order summary one last time, confirming the design, amount, and recipient email are accurate. When you're ready, click Place Order. After you place the order, you'll receive a confirmation, and your recipient should get the e-gift card by email shortly. If it doesn't appear in their inbox, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. And that's it. Your Walmart digital gift card is on its way.